Hey folks, Steve Sacramento here again. I just wanted to show you what it looks like driving along the roads around Donner Lake today. I went up there this past weekend and you can see there's a lot of snow up there. We start on Donner Pass Road for just a little bit and then we make a right on South Shore Drive and you can see how much snow is packed up among the houses and driveways, and it's just astronomical how much snow they've had up there this year. Enjoy the video. During the 2021 to 2022 snowfall season, Tahoe Donner Ski Resort had a total of 228 cumulative inches of snow by March 20th. This season of 2022 to 2023, they had 246 inches by January 11th. On January 30th, the total snow accumulation was 306 inches, and as of February 15th, 2023, it now stands at 331 inches, or 27.58 feet. The most snow that fell on any one day this season so far is 42 inches on December 11th, 2022. On January 1st of 2023, they had 39 inches of snowfall. At Palisades, Tahoe, 8,000 foot level, as of February 15th, they have had 393 inches of snow, or 32.75 feet. And now let's do a little bit of Lake Tahoe Ski Resort trivia. What is the #1 ski resort in terms of average annual snowfall? The answer is D, Sugar Bowl. And now, what is the #10 resort for average annual snowfall? The answer is C, Diamond Peak, Nevada. Which ski resort has the best views of Lake Tahoe? Of course, it's Heavenly Ski Resort because it has the largest and tallest mountain in Lake Tahoe at 10,067 feet. Lake Tahoe is 22 miles long, 12 miles wide, and has 72 miles of shoreline. It's 198 miles northeast of San Francisco, 98 miles east of Sacramento, and 58 miles southwest of Reno, Nevada. The average surface elevation of Lake Tahoe is 6,225 feet above sea level, making it the highest lake of its size in the United States. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you did like watching it. Have a wonderful day.